Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here Ruqayya with you. Happy Ramadan, Ramadan Kareem. I wish you healthy and happy Ramadan, inshallah ta'ala. I want to share with you suhoor secrets, breakfast, and what you should have. I'm saying should because I think you should. Okay, never mind. So breakfast is very important, yeah, and I will also speak Somali, and but inshallah ta'ala I just want to share with you things that are really helpful. I found out to be helpful. And eggs, number one, and milk. Okay, egg and milk. No matter what you believe you're eating, what you like to eat in the breakfast, in the suhoor time, and inshallah ta'ala make those two things essential thing. This is a boiled egg, okay? And if you're working, if you're a student, you know, I think, and well, we are all busy, no matter whatever we're doing. So it's better to have this boiled and then keep in the fridge. And I normally do on weekly basis. And hey, you cannot eat 2 eggs every day, Ruqayya, that's too much. That's a different topic, okay? I'm just telling you what I think is good. And if it helps you, you can try, you can experiment. And then I will tell you the reasoning behind what I'm telling you, why I'm telling you. Many times, especially our youth also, they faint because they did not have enough protein, and they don't have enough protein in their body, and they faint in the classrooms. Middle schoolers are trying to fast, but why are they fainting? We think, oh, they're fasting. Oh, I'm sorry, you're fasting. Oh, we can't say you're fasting faint. No, even teachers, you know, there is some encouragement opportunity that you can do and tell kids, and you know, this is nutrition, this is good, you know, in a health class time. Ramadan is a time that you can really teach projects and make relationship or re-establish a relationship with your students and parents. So those two things are very important. Why? Because they are not quickly kind of digestible in your body. The egg really sustains you on a long time. If you know, do this one, I'm saying because of you're busy, but otherwise you can make scrambled eggs. And one fact that I want to share with you is like most of our Muslim youth, their favorite restaurant, 3 a.m. in the morning, is IHOP. They go there because they feed them very well. They have eggs over there. Anyway, and you will see that. You think it's joking, but just Google and Muslim youth Ramadan and IHOP. They are over there. And a good time if you have some coupons to give them. Milk is another thing that's very important, I think, inshallah ta'ala, that we should drink. And I am not dismissing those people who are lactose intolerant. I will share in the future alternatives, but milk is very important. Alhamdulillah, it has a lot of stuff. 80% of the protein that you will find from milk is called casein protein. Casein protein is a unique, it acts like most of the bodybuilders use when you're exercising. If you like to run, and you know, it's not gonna and damage your body because you're fasting, but at the same time, really it has the ability to release that protein into your body in a slow motion, normally over 8 hours, about 8 hours. So 80% of the protein in the milk is called casein, and there are protein shakes that you can find if you want to get but that is the benefit. That means there are some protein shakes, for example, whey protein, that very quickly it goes to your body. Ooh, you're hungry all the time, or after like 1 or 2 hours. And 80% of the protein that you will get from milk is called casein. And then what's gonna happen is it's going to release your body over 8 hours. Imagine your fasting becomes amazing. Inshallah ta'ala, inshallah Somali. idinkula sheergaraynaya suxuurta insha Allah taala waxaad sameysaan wax allaala waxaad jeceshihiin idinkoo cunaayo waxaad sameysaan labadan shay haddii aadan caafimaad ahaan aadan lactose intolerance ahayn ukunta allergy aadan ku ahayn ukunta iyo caanaha waa laba shay oo aan rajaynayo insha allah tacaala aan idin dhahayo ka dhigta daa'im oo ka dhigta suxuurta waa inay ka mid noqoto labadan shay sababtoo ah ukuntan haddaad cuntid waxaa laga yaabaa inaad dhaqso gaajo ku qabanin taasi waa arrin oo ma arkin oo cad ma aha borotiinka dhaqso jirkaada gelayo caanaha kuu soo haray maasha allah caano ma tahay ma aha waa in organic ku ahaada caano fiican because mararka qaarkood cuntaa cunaynaa cunto oo run ah maba aha cuntada cunayn caanaha marka 80% borotiinka caanaha laga helo waxaa lagu magacaabaa casein dadka jirka dhiso oo jimicsiga iyo sameeya ayaa isticmaalo muxuu ahaa sirta ku jirto caanaha maasha allah ilaahay subxaana watacaala barakeeye waxaa waaye 80% borotiin lagu magacaabo casein ayaa ku jiro borotiinkaasi jirkaada si dhaqso ah digestive systemka ma u gelayo ma fahanta dheefshiidka uma qaadanayo wuxuu sameynayaa muddo ilaa 8 saac markaad caano adiga koob ama 2 koob aad cabtid 2 koob adiga normal markaad cabtid 80% caanahaasi 8 saacadood in yar ayuu jirkaada oo borotiin u siinaya micnihii waxaa waaye gaajo dhaqso ah kuma qabanayso ramadaanka marka aad adinkugu hambalyeynaya insha allahu tacaala isticmaala haddii aad ma arkino waxyaabo kale aad adinkana ma arkino isticmaashaan suxuurta fadlan nala sheergareeya dadkeena qurbaha ku nool waan degdegsanahay laakiin waxyaabaha qaarkood la cunayo waa wax dhaqsaba kaa baxayo oo aan awood loo helin insha allahu tacaala waxaan idin wadaagi doonaa waxyaabaha nafciga noole suxuur ideas iftaar ideas suxuur secrets all these things insha allahu tacaala happy Ramadan